Now we are going to discuss about a traffic sign recognition method under complex illumination conditions. Now we are going to discuss about overview of our project. The main objective of our project is to detect or identify the traffic sign by using different classification algorithms. The traffic signs plays an important role for advanced driver assistance systems as well as for autonomous driving vehicles. Most of the works done focus on recognizing symbol-based signs, leaving apart important information provided by other type of signs. To achieve this goal, we evaluate the performance of two common pre-trained deep learning models such as Deep Convolutional Neural Network and ResNet50. Then we need to detect the bounding box by using YOLO V8, that is the latest version of the YOLO algorithm, and compare their accuracy levels when detecting the traffic sign. Finally, the system can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy and error rate for above mentioned algorithms and compare both algorithms based on that accuracy in the form of graph. Now we are going to discuss about a demo of our project. We are run our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. We can choose one input image from your dataset. This is the original image which we have chosen. Then resized image, grayscale conversion, feature extraction. So this is the feature extracted image. This is the result. These are the hidden layers which is present in a classification algorithm, that is the ResNet. Image process, image splitting, so total number of images and train and test. So it's executing. So this means so how many times which we are train our model. This is the result for ResNet algorithm. These are the ResNet layers. The next, the DCNN, it's running. Just this is for that training our data set. So here we have mentioned 10. So 10 times the model will be trained. So after train, so this is the result for DCNN and identified stop. So here it will be put in a bounding box. So this is the final detected image. Thank you.